And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I'm just putting the dies away. They're in some kind of bucket that the dude who I bought them off of sold them to me. And I look at this machine, I'm going, it's pretty damn heavy. Like, I'm getting at an age where I need to buy lighter machines. Like, they should make all the metalworking machines out of plastic now, because they do have it for me. Maybe not. I mean, look at this. The base on this thing alone is like, I don't know, lamppost quality, I guess you could say. I'll show you the base on it. If I can get it loose. Let me go this way. Holy shit. This thing's, come on. Come on. Let's go. Fight the power. Fight the power, huh? The base is pretty damn big. Don't mind the Wilton vice. I'm still working on it. I don't know if this, I don't know if you can see it over here. I don't know if this wrench, looks like a wrench. I don't know if this came standard on one or what, because it looks like, oh yeah, maybe. There's it looks like a wrench with a pin in it attached to this, and the little flat spot, I'm guessing, was wide here, because the base on this, I mean, I could use this as an anvil and use it almost like a press. I have another base somewhere. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I gotta clean this mess up, put it away. So yeah, it's a lot of these older tools, I noticed that a lot of the older, like really older tools, what they did is they basically made really good quality cast iron tools, and then they, as they made them cheaper and cheaper, they took all the beef out of it and just made a square structural steel. I mean, you look at all these old cast iron things, they look pretty cool. They're all like, got little designs on them. Today it's just square, 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 triangle, square. And maybe, if you're lucky, you'll see something round on it. But they won't do round stuff because it's too expensive. So, yeah, anyway, just thought I'd show you that. Just random short video.